Hello Redditors, welcome back to Tales Against Humanity. Now, let's get started. In today's episode,
it's definitely not the file format. I built one of my AP clerks a flimsy little process to split vendor PDF by invoice number, and then use a couple of Excel sheets and some auto-it glue to look up data and rename the files. It saved her about 5 hours of mindless tedium a week with about a 45-min investment from me. She'd been using it happily for about 3 months, and then it quit working. What's odd is that it ran just fine on my PC. So I'm remoted into her PC looking around, and she tries to help me, but she's just annoying me. Could this be caused by the server outage last week? No. This is hosted on a completely different machine than the server that was down. So they're not related. I noticed there's a file in there named the same as the program I click on, but the extension is 03. Maybe that's the problem. No. That's just the audit source code. It's always been there. You just haven't noticed it before. One of the Excel sheets says it's an Excel file and the other says it's an Excel 2007 file. Is that why it's not working? No. That's no the issue. One is a 2007 file because that's just how it comes out of the accounting system. Excel can open both files just fine. It's definitely not the file format. Well, after a couple of hours fucking around with AutoIt, which can be a little weird sometimes, I decide to convert the 2007 file to an XLSX file. What do you know? It started working on her PC again. Fuck. Now, I gotta endure a few months of her reminding me about the time she figured out a problem before me and how she should really listen to my advice in the future, because she is a very intuitive person and can sense problems easily. Gonna be a long few months of biting my tongue. Story 2. I'm telling you, it's not there. So a user wanted a certain program installed. Let's call it Iguana Kit purely because I was recommended an Iguana Sushi video before writing this, for some reason. Me. Sees ticket. Ticket. I filed a request to have Iguana Kit installed on my computer, and it is closed successfully, but I do not have it installed. I have Iguana Bits, and I see the installer for Iguana Kit in the work folder, where we copy things to then use on their computers, but no Iguana Kit. Me. Meh, I'll just install it for him again. Eaten done. Closes ticket reopened. I still do not have Iguana Kit. I only see the installer in the work folder, but I do not have permission to run it. Me. Checks his computer, it is there, its folder is simply called Kit in Program Files. Do not look for it in work, it will not be there. Closes ticket. Again, ticket reopened. That is not what I need. I need Iguana Kit, and I have no such thing. Me. Program Files / Kit. It is in there. I can see it right now. Closes ticket. Again. User then opens a direct chat to me. User. Hey, you were trying to help me with Iguana, but I still don't have it installed. Me : TTH asterisk renames Kit folder to Iguana Kit. Me. There. Better. User. Thanks, that's the one. Story 3. Yes, it's in the switch. This story is from my first ISP job. I worked with designing, building, and implementing solutions for business customers, LAN and WAN. This event took place during a very busy Friday afternoon. I get a call with a person on the other line who seems to be in a hurry to finish before he goes home. Unknown caller. Hey, I'm hooking up some new IP phones and I need you to allocate a new VLAN for them so I can get them to work. Me. Hey. Who am I speaking to? Still unknown caller. I'm the networking engineer at Company XI. Now can you help me so I can go home? Caller identification process cleared me. It would be better if you placed an order through the order system. If it's one phone, I can help you test it out now. More than that, and I will have to charge consulting time, as you know. XI. Yes. It's one phone, let's go, so I should mention. This company is a big one with a lot of offices that have somewhere between 2 and 10 switches managed by us per office. Me. Sure, where are you at and where do you want to connect the phone? XI. I'm at the office. He says this as if I'm stupid for even asking. Again, 15 offices available. The phone is in the switch. Me. Okie. I will have to know at which office and what port and switch you are connected to. XI. Well, I'm at CZXX location, if that really matters. The switch says Cisco on it. I think I'm in port 35. Me. Okie. At this point I just want this over and done with so I don't question it. I check the switches in Meraki at that location. And notice a new phone on one of the ports. Create a new VLAN and set it up for VoIP. XI, good it works, now we can do the rest. Me. Sorry what? XI. Yay. This one went fast, let's get this done before the weekend. And that, my friends, is how I charged 4 hours of weekend consulting time for swapping a phone system for a customer who already had a functioning system. How these technical people get put into position of responsibility is beyond me. Edit. Verification clarified. Story 4. Left. More left. I work in tech support for my small college. It's focused on our learning system, and I do accessibility technology work. Night shift, beginning of summer semester, which is basically online only. An older gentleman got on the live chat and said he couldn't find the menu. No problem, click on left side of the screen. User reports that he did and nothing. The leftmost side has a clickable and collapsible menu. Click on it once you find via hovering on the left. User reports negative to usefulness. Great. I get on Zoom. This is when I learned he was older. Keep in mind, I'm a student worker. I have him show his screen as best as he could via phone, another mess, but not messing with it too much. He has not left enough. I say to go left. User just doesn't. If there are 3 ways to tell someone to go left, I said 10 at least. User just didn't get it. Even my dad, I was at home, and he was sitting next to me, told him to go left. I show him my screen. Show him the menu. It took at least 20 minutes, I tell y'all of Reddit, to have him go the very left side at the screen, collapsed menu hidden. I basically pulled the just trust me card at least twice. I was at my breaking point of confusion. I wasn't sure for a while if this person was using a screen reader, but via Zoom seemed to be sighted. The menu bar collapse and in general sucks for screen readers. Rule 368 of college support. Students of all ages struggle with left and right. Some just refuse to listen when told to go more left.